Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Galang Reza Erlangga and my study program is orthotic prosthetic. Today I will gonna be show you about technique casting procedure. So my patient have stroke ischemic. In the right side my patient is paralyzed. So the assessment finding, my patient have manual arthroscale in grade 2 in the elbow, wrist, and finger flexion. So in the finger area, in the palm area, the finger is press the palm. So the redness in the palm and switch are trapped, but my patient have no second breakdown or ulcer. So the treatment objectives: I make device elbow wrist hand orthosis static or neck splint. This is device help decrease the spasticity hypertonus grade MAS grade 2 in the elbow, wrist, and finger flexion, and prevent contracture. For the position casting, I will choose sliding hand position. So the first is the patient should be sitting in ergonomic position, and then from the elbow is 90-degree flexion, and the forearm is neutral supination or pronation, and then his hand is no radial or ulnar deviation. From the wrist is 20-degree extension. From MCP, PIP, and DIP is slightly flexion. For the thumb is partial opposition. So for the casting technique procedure, first prepare the plastic wrap. The plastic wrap function to protect skin patient from the marker and POP bandage. After the put plastic wrap, we make the landmark. Example, in cubital crease, the distance is 2 finger, then styloid radial ulnar, and then base, fifth, and first thumb, and then the distal tip of the finger. And then after the landmark, we have to practice hand position patient. So the hand position is with wrist in 20-degree extension, and MCP, PIP, and DIP is slightly flexion. For the thumb is slightly opposition. After practice hand position patient, put the POP bandage in polarization, make sure 4 layer, and then put plastic tube in the dorsal area, and then put plastic POP bandage in circumferentially, make sure 3 layer. For the thumb is paired POP bandage, make sure 4 layer. And then hand position from the wrist 20 extension, MCP, PIP, DIP slightly flexion. For the thumb is slightly opposition. Hold until the POP bandage is setting. Finish setting is draw the plastic tube and then make horizontal line, and then prepare the cutter and be careful, don't cut your hand patient. Until finish, check the negative cut, make sure the alignment is correct, no hole, and then the landmark is transfer, and then the wrist is correct the extension, MCP, PIP, DIP, and then thumb, and then finish. Selamat pagi Bapak.
Pagi.
Perkenalkan, nama saya Galang Reza Erlangga sebagai ortotik prostetik. Pagi hari ini kita akan belajar hand position casting dulu Pak, untuk casting aslinya. So pertama kita harus pastikan pasien duduk secara ergonomis, tangan diletakkan di atas meja, agar memudahkan. So nanti tangan bapak akan dibalut plastik wrap, terus kita akan tandain tulang bapak yang kelihatan menonjol dan permasalahan kulit saat pembuatan alat tidak menekan area tulang bapak dan kulit sensitif bapak. So untuk pagi hari ini saya akan tandain di siku bapak, terus habis itu di tulang styloid radius, and then tulang styloid ulna. Habis itu saya akan tandain di tip jari-jari papa. Maaf pak, bisa dibuka dulu. Nah, untuk di sini saya akan menandakan base tulang bapak di ibu jari, terus base di tulang kelingking bapak. So untuk hand position casting, nanti jari pergelangan tangan bapak sedikit ditekuk ke atas, terus untuk jari-jarinya sedikit ditekuk ke bawah, dan untuk ibu jarinya sedikit dibuka gini pak, membentuk huruf C. Nanti saya akan aba-abakan, terus bapak cukup diem aja.